Rabindranath Tagore, he was born in Calcutta. He was a poet, a freedom fighter, a philosopher, an educator, etc. and a Nobel laureate for literature. And he writes, giving the title Dharmo Moho, which is titled Illusion of Religion, and also the other title, False Religion. He inserts his own religion when he slays a man of another faith. If a man belongs to one religion and kills the man of other religion, then he really insults his own religion. Hello students, I am Anil, Assistant Professor of English, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, we are going to look at a poem titled False Religion by Rabindranath Tagore for the students of BCom first semester. About the author, Rabindranath Tagore, he was born in Calcutta. He was a poet, a freedom fighter, a philosopher, an educator, etc. and a Nobel laureate for literature. A Nobel laureate. He received Nobel Prize for his Gitanjali. He was well received by the British. Mysticism and sentimental beauty of Indian culture was revealed to the West. By his writings and poetries, mysticism and sentimental beauty of Indian culture was introduced to the West. Composed the national anthems of India and Bangladesh. He was the author of two national anthems, one for India and the other one for Bangladesh. So let us go through the poetry. False Religion is the title, F-A-L-S-E, False Religion is the title of this poetry. In your textbooks, it's also given the title, Illusion of Religion. Illusion of Religion. So it was originally written in Bengali, which is given the title Dharmo Moho. That means our attachment to the religion. And what does it cause? What happens when you are blindly attached to a religion? And he writes, giving the title Dharmo Moho, which is titled Illusion of Religion, and also the other title, False Religion. Those in the name of faith embrace illusion, kill and are killed. Those who embrace religion with illusion, they do not know what is the intention of any religion. They blindly embrace religion with illusion. And what happens to them? They start to kill the other people, or they will get killed for that religion. Even the atheist gets God's blessings. He does not boast of his religion. Even the atheist who do not believe in any religion or God, he gets all the blessings of God. Why? Because he does not boast of his religion. There is nothing for him to boast or kill or get killed for. Therefore, he receives all the blessings. With reverence, he lights the lamp of reason. With all his knowledge, he lights the lamp of reason. He asks questions. Why? How? But a man who follows a religion, he never gets a chance to ask question. Even if he has that chance, he does not ask. Therefore, atheist gets all the blessings of God. And atheist pays his homage not to scriptures. This atheist does not pay respects to the scriptures which are not with life, but to the good in man. He recognizes good in human beings and he respects that good behavior or nature. The bigot insults. The bigot is one who blindly follows the strict rules of religion and does not understand its intention. He insults his own religion when he slays a man of another faith. If a man belongs to one religion and kills the man of other religion, then he really insults his own religion. Conduct he judges not in the light of reason. Whatever he does not do it under the light of reason. In the temple, he raises the blood-stained banner and worships the devil in the name of God. In the temple, that means in the holy places, he raises blood-stained banner. That means he raises the banner which are smeared with blood, cruelty, killing one another, and worships the devil in the name of God. So when he does all these things, there is a devil in himself. Therefore, he is worshipping that devil in the name of God. All that is shameful and barbarous through the ages has found a shelter in their temples. I hope you will agree with this statement. All those barbaric things have got shelter in their temples. Those they turn into prisons. So when these things happen in a temple, those temples no longer remain temples. Here, temple does not mean only a temple belonging to one particular religion, the holy places of all the other religions as well. Those that turn into prisons. When they do all these bad things, killing one another under the illusion of religion, they turn those holy places to prisons. I hear the trumpet call of destruction. The time comes with a great broom, sweeping all refuse away. Now the poet says, yes, people may do anything they want, but what does the time do? Oh, I hear the trumpet call of destruction. Finally, I hear this, everything is going to be destroyed. Time comes with her great broom. Time comes with great broom. It sweeps all the refuse away. Whatever we do, whatever religion we give birth to, they all are swept away by the great broom of time. That which should make man free, they turn into fetters. Now he says those religions are found to make man free from this physical world and reach God. But what are those religions doing? Those religions, they are turning into chains. That which should unite, they turn into sword. Those religions should unite people. The intention of all the religions in the world is same, to seek God through various ways. But they are turning into swords. They are becoming like weapons to fight one another. That which should bring love, that is religion. Religion which should bring love from the fountain of the eternal, they turn into prison. Again, those religions which should give us the fountain of love, they turn into prison. And with its waves, they flood the world. They cry to cross the river in a bark riddled with holes. And with its waves, they flood the world. And with all these bad things, they flood the world. They try to cross the river in a bark riddled with holes. People use religions as boats, but those religions are religions with illusion. Those illusions are holes in this boat, which is religion. They try to cross the river in a bark, that is the religion filled with religion with holes. And yet in their anguish, whom do they blame? And in their great pain, great distress, whom are they blaming? They are blaming each other. Oh Lord, breaking false religion. Oh Lord, please destroy this false religion. Save the blind. Who are the blind? Those people who are under the illusion of a religion. Break, oh break the altar that is drowned in blood. So please break this holy places where people have converted those holy places to prisons. Break these altars stained with blood. Let your thunder strike into the prison of false religion. Let your thunder anger break these prisons and set us free and bring to this unhappy world the light of knowledge. People need knowledge. They have to understand what a religion is. Then only can we live happily. So here the poet finishes his poetry and gives a strong message to the society. He writes this poem when people had already started killing each other in the name of religion. In India particularly, when the Britishers divided Bengal from India, which they named East Bengal and West Bengal, they divided Bengal in such a way that the majority of the Islamic community stayed in the East Bengal and majority of the Hindu religions people stayed in the West Bengal, therefore dividing them using religion. And this division started to grow more and more, that they started to fight with each other. And finally, they kept on fighting in the name of religion. Therefore, Rabindranath Tagore was pained by this behavior of human beings. Therefore, he writes a poem, False Religion. Every religion starts or founded with the good intention to seek God, to seek peace, to seek happiness. But now people are using the same religion to fight with each other. Therefore, false religion or the illusion of religion, and in original name, Dharmo Moho. I hope you understood this poetry. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.